Hello everyone. Today we will practice the word recipe. Let's practice with me. Recipe.
Recipe.
This recipe.
This recipe is.
This recipe is easy.
The recipe is easy.
The recipe is clear. I like this recipe.
I like this recipe a lot.
Can you share the recipe?
Please send me the recipe. The recipe needs improvement.
This recipe helps me cook.
I follow the recipe carefully.
The recipe is for dinner.
The recipe is very useful.
I found a new recipe.
This recipe saves time.
The recipe includes vegetables.
I shared the recipe yesterday. The recipe is easy to follow. I use the recipe every week. The recipe improves my cooking.
Thank you for practicing with me today. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.